Mike Gooch, Gooch Productions, in Nassau, Bahamas, at the Sandals entrance. This is the entrance to Sandals. Wait till you see these big freaking statues. Like there. Yeah, it looks just like Rodeo Drive in California, huh? Look at those mumbo jumbos. Look at those mumbo jumbos. And Sandals. Big statues. Look at the balls on that thing. Mink. I see boobies. I see boobies. Yeah, look at that. Look at that showing the boobs. Dirty whores. Look at that. Look at that. They're at Sandals in the Bahamas.